In this match, eliminations will occur when a superstar is thrown over the top rope with both feet hitting the floor. The last man in the ring will be declared the winner. Introducing first, from Saturday Night Live fame, Michael Che and Colin Jost.
First of all, does Colin Jost have a death wish? He's wearing an Odell Beckham Jr. Browns jersey in the MetLife Stadium, the home of Beckham's former team, the Giants.
Let's just start a hashtag right now, everyone. Hashtag pray for Jost and Che.
Meanwhile, Colin Jost, Michael Che's got his headgear on at least.
Are you kidding me? Of course he knows what he's doing.
And here comes the monster everyone is talking about leading up to this match.
And weighing in at 385 pounds, Braun Strowman!
So Che and Jost are screwed, right? They're dead. They're done.
That's a nice way to put it.
They're never going to do Weekend Update again. We will never see them on Saturday Night Live fame again.
They're just lucky that they have to sit down for their job because they're not going to be able to stand for a month.
Well, listen, I feel sorry for Michael Che. He didn't want to be part of this.
Oh, look at the shape that Braun Strowman is in walking towards the ring. That is what it's all about on the road to WrestleMania.
Spoke to Rumble, cut to Mania, and he took that to the nth degree. What a physique.
Now, Byron, traditionally in over-the-top rope battle royals, again, you have to throw a superstar over the top rope until both feet touch the floor to be eliminated. Last man standing is winning. Traditionally, larger superstars are targets.
Uh-oh. Get him, Braun. Get him.